In today's video, I'm going to share how you can earn over $110 over and over and over again, and you can actually earn a lot more money with what I'm going to share with you today. Now, this method, it is simple, it is incredibly easy, it's available worldwide, and you do not need any skills or experience with this, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how this method works, how to get this all up and running, and more importantly, how you can actually make money online and from home. So look, let's just jump straight into this. So first of all, let me go over onto here and we'll look at this platform over here. So in today's method, we're going to be looking at TikTok. Now, don't worry, I'm not going to ask you to be on camera or even be talking or anything like that. This is just the platform that we're going to use to make money. Now, you see on TikTok, you see all of these silly videos of, people doing stupid things or, dancing around being silly and other bits. But we can actually make money on this platform, and we can make a lot of money on this platform using a combination of a couple of things. I mean, what is that? Anyway, so look, how does this method work? So first of all, we're going to need a TikTok account. So sign up to TikTok, it's absolutely free. Once we've got a TikTok account, we're going to need to find a way to monetize that. Now, the easiest and the best way to start making money on TikTok is with affiliate marketing. And look, don't let that put you off. If you've tried affiliate marketing before, bear with me and watch this video till the end, because you're going to be pretty blown away by this. So if I come over here, I've just gone onto this platform over here. It's called ClickBank. ClickBank, it's free. It's available. It's not available worldwide. From memory, I think it's available in 92 countries. But look, all we're looking for here is an affiliate product that we're going to promote. So if ClickBank is not available in your country, just use another affiliate platform like Digistore24 or Warrior Plus or any one of those. So in this example here, I've just typed in woodworking. Sorry, I'm in the marketplace. So if you go over to ClickBank, you register, create an account for free, come over here where it says marketplace, and basically in the marketplace, you see here where it says categories, all of these here, you can go ahead and find products in any of these different categories and niches, whereby you can literally get an affiliate link, start driving traffic, and earn a decent amount of money for doing so. So on here, I've just typed in woodworking, and if I scroll down here, look at this product here, woodworking and locksmiths. You can earn $118 per sale. The average conversion is $110, so it's pretty good. Come further on the page, look, this one here, $68. Come further on the page, this one here, $64.98. So I mean, like this one here, this Ted's Woodworking, it's been around for a number of years. It converts really well. If I just quickly show you this, let me just come over here to the affiliate page. Show you this, look, promote the highest converting woodworking product on the internet. This is a great product. I mean, this one here, you can earn $125 per sale. So it's pretty good. So that is step 2 done. So step 1 is we go over to TikTok, we create an account for free. Step 2 is we come over to ClickBank or any affiliate product, any affiliate network, we find products that we want to promote. So this Ted's Woodworking, we click on promote, click on generate hop link. This here is our link. So anyone we send over to this link here, then we earn an affiliate commission if they purchase the product. So how do we go ahead and take this product here and TikTok and make money? Well, it's actually really simple. So let me share with you this. I'm just going to type in TikTok woodworking, okay? I'm going to click on search. Now look at this. This account here, woodworking, 338,000 followers, 48,000, 21, 11,000, etc. etc. Now, if you don't know, on TikTok, you can upload very short videos. Now, these videos are either 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and the maximum amount of time is 60 seconds. So any video that you're uploading is going to be 60 seconds or less. And as I've mentioned, you don't have to be on camera and you don't have to talk yourself. So let's just go into one of these accounts. Let me just go and look at this one here, woodworking plans. I mean, I have no doubt this is definitely going to be, look, this channel here, they're uploading these really short videos about woodworking. Look, someone, what's that person doing? Painting on wood or staining wood. Really short videos, all of them. So let's just, what's that? More woodworking. So let's come up here, and you see here, look, the woodworking, there. This is definitely, let me click on open anyway. This is definitely sending you over to Yeah, look. So they're capturing someone's name and email, but look, this is, as you can see here, tedswoodworking.com. So this is sending people over to this affiliate product over here, and they're earning an affiliate commission for doing so. Pretty simple stuff. That's just one account. But I mean, look at this. They've got 106, well, coming up to 107,000 followers uploading these woodworking videos onto TikTok. And all they're doing here is, at the top here, they're putting an affiliate link down here. Let's just type another one. Let's just do it again. Woodworking. What's this one here? Woodworking Fun. KP Wood. Let's just come down a bit further. What's this one here? 115,000 followers. Well, this person is not doing it. They're literally just putting up short videos. So let's just try that again. Let's just go with woodworking. Now, what have I done there? Let's just click on Woodworking Fun, KP Wood. Look, get 53. Let's have a look at this one. Look, Ted's plans. So someone again, look, click on there. Click on Open Anywhere, and look, they're sending us over here. And if we scroll down here, look, it's the same product. It's Ted's Woodworking. So that's just one example for you in terms of uploading these videos over onto TikTok. But look, it's not just woodworking. You can do this in any category or any niche. Let's just go with, let's say, dog training, for example. Click on that. Dogs dog training. 54,000 followers. Come down here, look. Short videos about dogs. Really simple. Click on here. I have no doubt this will be sending us over to some affiliate product of some kind. Brain training for dogs. This is, yeah, look, this is a ClickBank product as well. So look, people are doing this method. It works, it's simple, and it's really easy. So how do you do this? Well, you've got a couple of options. Number one is you literally take out your phone and you can start uploading videos onto TikTok. But I said to you at the beginning of this video, you don't have to do that. Now, if we come back over here onto ClickBank, we're literally going to go ahead back onto here. So this is our Ted's Woodworking. And you see this product over here, this dog training. Well, this one over here is a ClickBank product as well. So if you just go up here and I type in dog training, come down here, let's have a look at this. How is that dog training? Comfort. I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click on keyword relevance. There we go, that's a lot better in it. Look, brain training for dogs. So if I click on that, this is going to open up the affiliate page for us. Let me get rid of that one over there. Look, brain training for dogs. Oh, it's the same one, sorry. Let me try that again for you. So I'm going to click on brain training for dogs affiliates. Look, here's the affiliate page. Everything you need to know about this affiliate product here. Come further down the page, look, about the product. Come further on the page, sales copies, 75% commissions. Look, banners, free giveaways, emails, promotional videos. Let me open this. You've probably got some videos in this example here that you could use. How long is this video? 49 seconds. So we can potentially use this video over here. Literally, you could download this and upload it onto TikTok. Another one here. Yeah, look, oh, that one wouldn't work. It's over a minute. Come further on the page. That one wouldn't work. Come further down. Yeah, 42 seconds. That one would work. So how do we do this? Well, literally, we're going to use a piece of software, and I'll show you the software now. It is this one over here, and it's Vidnami. Now, inside of here, you can see these are all the different templates. So inside of Vidnami, you can look, there's hundreds of video templates that you can use inside of here. But they've recently just uploaded these vertical video formats here. So all of these here, these work on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and many more. So these are all templates, so you can edit any part of them that you want. So you've got different options on here. So let's just scroll up here, and let's just go with this one here. So this is how it looks. Let's click on use this template. So I'm just going to go with, let's just go with dog training. Okay, so you see here, add your script. So write or paste your video script here. Anything that I put in here, this software will create the video for us. So if we go back over here, let's just go to the dog training, not this one over here. I'm lying, this one over here. On here, we can go ahead and put anything that we want in here. So look, I'm just going to grab that there. Okay, I'm just going to grab that and I'll put that into here. And I'll click on create scenes. And then watch how quick this works. So that's it done, look, right? Dog training. The brain training for dogs members area is jam-packed with da 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 da. And you see here where they've got all of these videos. If you don't like any of the videos on here, you can simply go ahead and change it. So look like dog obedience. Click on there. Scroll down. If you want this video here, you can click on there. And then that goes into that one there. Go up the page. Keep that one. You know, if you don't want this one over here, then again, you can go ahead and change this. So like click on training dogs, for example, scroll down the page, click on this one here. And all of these keywords here, these have all been brought out of the information that we put into the script a second ago. So if you don't like any of these keywords here, then you can simply go ahead and search for, anything that you want related to dog training in this example. The other thing as well is, you see over here, where it's got the text up here, if you want to make this bold, you just simply click on bold and it'll, change it to bold. If you don't want to use this, any of this down here, then what you can do is, you can simply get rid of this and click on something like this. Check out link in bio, etc. And then you just move on to the next slide. Go down, keep going down, and then all you do here is you click on add voice to the video, but look, you don't have to, just leave it with no voice music only, because this is only going to be a short video that we're uploading over onto TikTok. Then we'll click on preview your video, and it takes a second, and then it'll load up, and you can have a look at it before you download it. So it's creating the scenes for you. It normally works a bit quicker. It must be because I'm obviously recording my screen at the same time, but once this is done, you then just click on download and then it's done. And then you go over here onto TikTok, you upload it onto TikTok, and you're driving traffic over to, as you can see here, your affiliate link over to the product or the product or the service that you found over on ClickBank. So if you just click on play, I'll show you how it looks. This is how it looks. I'm sorry, let me just come down here and turn the sound back on. Click on here. Now you see over here, all of this music down here, you can go ahead and select any of the tracks here. You can filter this via mood, you can filter this via genre, you can add watermarks on here, you can even upload your own music if you want to. But once you're happy with it, you just click on looks good, continue, and then you download the video. Then you've got the video, you take it over to TikTok and you upload it. And that's the process. And using this software over here, as you've seen, it's incredibly simple. It's very easy to use. Now, at this moment in time, this software has a promotion on, and you can go ahead, you can see you can actually get 40% off Vidnami for life. And this will cost you $29 a month. Now, there's a few things what I love about this software. So for $29 a month with this software, you're getting 40% off Vidnami for life. You're getting free Storyblocks video clips. So inside of this software here, this Vidnami software, you're getting access to 978,000 premium video clips. You get access to 30,000 Storyblocks music tracks. And then you get all of these additional bonuses. So you see like a video traffic blueprint pack, this bonus, a YouTube SEO cheat sheet, Facebook ad formulas, how to find clients, eliminate writer's block, and you also get 50, you see here, 50 vertical templates that you can use with this software. I mean, look, this software here is absolutely awesome. You don't just have to use this for TikTok. I use this for YouTube. I use it in my consultancy business and lots more. But for $29 a month, you can literally create as many videos as you want using the software. As you've seen, it works really quick. It's really simple. It's really easy. And you just download your videos, upload them onto TikTok, and include a link over here on your profile down here. And I mean, we've looked at two examples here. We've looked at dog training and woodwork, but you could go into any niche, what you like. Just go through all of these. I mean, look, home and garden, we've got crafts and hobbies, gardening, general, home buying. You've obviously got the popular ones like health, weight loss, fitness, and all that sort of stuff. But either way, whichever products that you're going to create content around from ClickBank, all we're doing is we're grabbing our affiliate link, we're putting a link down here on our TikTok platform, on our TikTok profile, and then we're just uploading these really simple, really short videos here, and then we're just uploading them. So look, that is the process. And look, if you're watching this video in like a month or 2 months from now, and this promotion here is not currently working for you, I'll also drop a link down below whereby it'll cost you a little bit more. It will be $35 a month, but it's still going to save you some money because normally Vidnami is $45 a month. But at this moment in time, you can see here, for the next 7 days and 6 hours, you can actually get the software and all of these bonuses down here for $29 a month. So yeah, it's pretty simple, it's easy, it doesn't take a lot of time as you've seen. So that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.